What's going on, everybody? Just want to make a quick video to let you guys know if you're receiving messages via Instagram from me, they are 100% not me. I had a client receive this right here, and it is not me. I don't know anything about Bitcoin. I don't do none of that shady stuff. Pretty sure we know who it is that hacked my account. This is just one of the many reasons that I do not like Instagram. It's very easy to hack, and it's really what a lot of scammers use to promote their business. So again, if you're receiving any messages on Instagram that say they are coming from me, like this one right here, it is 100% not me. It's somebody else. Again, pretty sure we know who it is. But if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.